Do you think Japanese people eat gorgeous dishes such as sushi and tempura every day? Many Japanese eat simpler Japanese dishes every day. The most common is miso soup. This time, I'll introduce how to make simple miso soup that can be made within 10 minutes. Let's get started. This time, I prepare wakame seaweed, tofu, and leeks as ingredients. You can also add other ingredients you like, such as cabbage, potato, and onions. Cut the leeks into small pieces. Boil water in a pot. Add dashi powder. Put chopped leeks into the pot. Put tofu into the pot. Add salt silken tofu, but you can use formal tofu as well. Put wakame seaweed in a pot. Boil about 4 minutes. Turn off the heat and dissolve the miso paste. Taste it, and if you feel the taste is right, add miso and adjust accordingly. Serve and finished. Thank you for watching till the end. This channel introduces Japanese dishes that are easy to make. Please visit my website for more menus. Have a lovely day. See you next time.